Stop saying the best. This one word makes you sound smarter. Superlative. Superlative. It means of the highest quality or degree, surpassing all others. After tasting the chef's signature dish, the food critic wrote that the flavors were of superlative quality, unlike anything else in the city. Instead of saying best, say superlative to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word superlative in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.